Hello dear aspirants. So how are you people? I hope everybody is fine. So in this session we are going to talk about Telangana Drug Inspector vacancy. 18 posts have been came. So it is going to be a major vacancy because it has came after a long time. So many people from Telangana were waiting for this vacancy. So first thing I would like to clear that this video is not for the purpose of views. This video's intention is to give you the complete information regarding syllabus, regarding last date, regarding exam scheme, cutoff pattern, what is going to be the best course. Each and every piece of information I am going to share with you. One request I would do with you people, please do share it as soon as possible, as more as possible, so that each and everybody can get the complete information. So right now you are watching me on the platform of Innovators Adda. My name is Sanjay Chauhan. Let's talk about the Telangana Drug Inspector vacancy 2022. When we are facing lot of unemployment inside our country, so some people are taking the advantage of that opportunities and they are misguiding the youth. They are releasing the fake advertisement. So we need to go for the official website. So we are just visiting the official website. It will be a humble request for you people, please always make sure that you are filling the form, you are getting the each and every information with the authentic sources. So right now we are visiting the Telangana State Public Service Commission website is there. So if I talk about the vacancies of central vacancies, there is a recruiting body known as Union Public Service Commission. So UPSC is going to be a central body for the recruitment and conduction of examination. That is going to be the central vacancy. But for state vacancy, different state public service commission are there. Suppose for Bihar Public Service Commission is there. For Uttar Pradesh or UP, Uttar Pradesh Public Service Commission is there. For Telangana State Public Service Commission is there. So this vacancy have been came under the Telangana State Public Service Commission. So who is going to conduct the examination, who is going to recruit people? Telangana State Public Service Commission. Where you need to visit? You need to go on the candidate services section of that website. So once you are going to click on notification for all recruitments, definitely you are going to get some more piece of information, like as 21/22 Drug Inspector in Drugs Control Administration Department General Recruitment. The start date is 16th of December 2022. I'm shooting this video on 17th. So I'm little bit of late, but I'm confident, I'm sure that I'm giving you the each and every piece of information with the authentic sources. So what is going to be the end date? 5th of January 2023. Make sure that the last date is going to be 5th of January 2023. So you need not to be wait for the last moment. You need to fill this form as soon as possible. So if I go to click this information, I'm going to get a official advertisement. Telangana State Public Service Commission, Hyderabad. It is in Hyderabad only. So notification is 21/2022, dated 8 December 2023. So officially on 8th of December, they have notified that we are going to release this vacancy, and form are going to be start filling with the 16th of December. As you can see the advertisement, they have mentioned number of posts, what is going to be the age criteria, what is going to be the pay scale, everything they have mentioned. So we are going to discuss each and every piece of information in this video. Before that, I would like to convey you people that there is a challenge for the preparation of this examination. What is the major challenge? The major challenge is language barrier. If I talk about this vacancy, Telangana Drug Inspector examination, already there are a lot of courses in the market, but they are already pre-recorded sessions. They are having old videos. Their prices are very high. They are in different languages. But one more difficult challenge is there. One more challenge is there of language. I personally believe that language is not going to be a barrier. People from South India are also our people. It is also a part of India. So we need to take care of them. So we have just launched the English medium batch for this preparation. So we strongly believe that language is not going to be a barrier. So this batch is going to be in English medium, totally English medium. So there is no language barrier, so that they get the quality content with affordable prices. Having this course on 2199 with 6-month validity. Each and every information you are going to get updated from video lectures, from PDF format notes, AI based test series, everything is there. You can access this course on Android, iOS and laptop. Everything is there. Excellent doubt solving mechanism via the tutor. First time we are just providing the mechanism of tutors. You can directly connect with the tutor. You can have a chat option in the application so that you can clear your doubts. You are having live classes. Time bound syllabus coverage. We are going to cover the syllabus by the end of April because the tentative date for examination is May or June. So we are going to finish the syllabus by the end of April. With unlimited views options are there. Offline download options. Suppose you belong from a rural area where network problem is there. So you can download the videos, notes, everything is there. There is no timing issue for working professionals. Suppose you are a working professionals, manage this course as per your timing. There is no timing issue. Got the point? Suppose if any aspirant is going to join it late, if he or sees the information on YouTube very late, from the same day you are going to get the 6-month validity. Course will be completed because it's a live course. So two things are there. Course will be completed by April last. But for the you can say validity is 6 months because examination may be some around in the month of May or June, but they have not given the official date. So we have just given the relaxation in validity. So every piece of information you are going to get in this course. Where you are going to get this course? You need to install the Pharma Pathfinders application. So please be careful, install the Pharma Pathfinders application with the icon of capsule from the Google Play Store itself. In that store option, you need to visit the store option in application. After that, you are going to get this course from Pharma Pathfinders application just at 2199. So have a look at this course. I'm sure, I'm 100% confirmed that it is going to assure your selection for the Telangana Drug Inspector vacancy, that is going to be the Satpahana batch. Now coming on the main piece of information for which we are making this video. If I go through the official advertisement, I've just highlighted some points so that it could be easy for you people. Wait. Okay. So I think this much is visible to you all. See, if I look through the Telangana State Public Service Commission, Hyderabad. So what is going to be the starting date? That is 16th of December. So form has been started, already started. 1 day ago form has been started. What is going to be the last date? 5th of January 2023. But I would request humbly, please do not wait for last moment because it's a technological matter. Sometimes server may be hacked, sometimes server may be busy, whatever it is going to be there. But you need to fill it as early as possible. So if I look about the number of posts, it is going to be 18. Starting age is 18 and last age is 44. There is some relaxation as per the rules for OBC and SC, ST and different peoples. Skill you are going to get 51,320 to 1,27,310. Why this much salary variation is there? It's depend upon grade pay. How much grade pay you are going to get. It is community wise, it is multi-zone wise, it is sports category also. They are also going to give the advantage for sports people also in this vacancy. One more thing I would like to clear. Some aspirant asked, sir, there is a 18 vacancy. Could we got selected? Yes. In 1 day examination, definitely there is a chance of selection. Each and every aspirant, suppose it is having 1,000 vacancy, you need a single seat. So in 1 day examination, definitely there is an advantage of being selected. Whatever the post is there, do not confuse with the post, do not worry about the post. You want just single seat. Here they have clearly mentioned likely to be examination is objective type. So they are going to take the examination in objective pattern. They may take this examination in the month of May or June, and commission reserve the right to conduct examination through computer based. They can take the online test or they can take offline OMR based. It depends upon the number of candidates. If candidate will be there more, definitely they are going to take the online examination. So if we are going to move, definitely important, applicants are requested to keep the soft copy of following documents while uploading their documents at online application. So these should be documents with you. One thing I would like to mention, they have asked about the residence certificate 1 to class 7 period. So they have limited the aspirant from other state. If you are from other state but right now you are having the residence certificate, you may be eligible. So residence certificate of Telangana should be mandatory. It is going to be mandatory, residence certificate of Telangana. ठीक है? Okay. So educational qualification, they have not asked about any experience. So experienced people, for fresher people, both can apply. They have just asked simply, must possess a degree in pharmacy. B Pharma, no D Pharm eligible, only B Pharma is eligible. Pharmaceutical sciences, degree in pharmaceutical. आजकल now in trend, BSc pharmaceuticals, MSc pharmaceutical is there, pharmaceutical chemistry is there. Pharm D, sometimes aspirants may confuse that, sir, we are Pharm D, we are eligible or not? You are totally eligible, yes. Now we have observed a trend that earlier Pharm D were not allowed, but right now each and every vacancy they are mentioning about the Pharm D. So Pharm D are totally eligible for the drug inspector vacancy. Medicine with specialization in clinical pharmacology and microbiology. Medicine, your degree should be in the medicine with specialization in clinical pharmacology and microbiology, not degree in microbiology. Degree in medicine with specialization of microbiology. Please do not confuse. So BSc microbiology, MSc microbiology are not eligible. But degree in medicine with the specialization of pharmacology or microbiology are eligible. So there is a lot of confusion, so I am going to clear each and every piece of information. The candidate should possess minimum 18 years. Minimum your age should be 18 years. Means you need to be a registered pharmacist. For a registered pharmacist inside the India, you need to have the minimum age of 18 years. Maximum they have asked about the 44 years. The age is reckoned as on 1/7/2022. The cutoff date for calculation is 1st July 2022. From 1st July 2022 they are going to calculate every information. Means minimum age the applicant should not born after 2004. 2004 के बाद का नहीं, in should not before 1978. इसके पहले का नहीं होना चाहिए ये सारी चीज़ें. ठीक है? Age relaxation criteria for different category they have given. You need to visit that. Application fees is very minimum they have taken. Application processing fees, you can go through that. See, they have clearly mentioned the written examination objective type will be held at Hyderabad only. Hyderabad only. The center will be in the Hyderabad only, as decided by the commission. So if we are going to more and more, what we are going to get? Note on utilizing edit option. They have also given option the edit. The following certificates or document must be submitted by the candidate at the time of verification of certificates. Verification of certificate time, but these documents should be available with you people. Kindly pause the videos and visit that, or you can directly check the official website. They have given the vacancy in different zones. Now main important is exam scheme, exam pattern, how they are going to take the examination. So they have divided this for multi-zone vacancies. Multi-zone 1, multi-zone 2. Many people during my NIPER, many people from where Karimabad also, many people from Nizamabad also were there. One of my best friend was Sahiti was there. So Sahiti was also from Telangana and she was very intelligent. So Shiva was also there, I think. So many people are from South India there. The best place to go for the pharmacy studies NIPER. So definitely we are going to interact with the multiple culture people. So we have learned a lot from South Indian people, we have learned a lot from Gujarati people, we have learned a lot from North Indian people, everything we have learned. Scheme of examination. So we are going to check one by one. Yes, so they have divided the vacancy zone wise. So in multi-zone 1, grand total is 5. For multi-zone 2, they have given the 13 vacancies. So total is going to be 18 vacancies and they have divided it in different. List of bank for making online payment. If you are making payment, these bank can pay. Yes, that is going to be the major portion. What is going to be the examination pattern or schedule? Scheme of examination. There will be 2 papers. One with the name of General Studies and General Abilities. General Studies and General Abilities. 150 question, 150 minutes, 150 marks. Means 2.5 hours. Concern subject, pharmacy. 150 questions, 150 minutes, 300 marks. So total mark is going to be 450 marks. I think they are not going to take the interview based on written examination. There is a very less chance of corruption. So you can go for that. 100% you can go for that. I don't say that there is no corruption inside the India, but there is a very less chances of corruption in this type of examination, because these are official posts, these are guested, non-guested, class B, different posts are there for the drug inspector examination. So the total number is 450 marks. Paper 1, general studies and general abilities, it is going to be bilingual. They are going to ask in Telugu also, they are going to ask in English also. So first paper will be English as well as Telugu also, but second paper will be in English, only and only English. So whatever the pharmacy subject is there, that is going to be totally in English. Whatever the general studies and general abilities paper are there, that is going to be in the bilingual, that is English and Telugu also. So if you go through the syllabus, paper 1, general studies and general abilities, current affair, regional, national and international, everything they are going to ask. International relations they are going to ask. What are the events that is going to happen internationally, that is going to occur internationally, they are going to ask. General science, India's achievement in science and technology, majorly they are going to ask about the science and technology. What is the achievement of ISRO, what is the achievement of DRDO. So ISRO is basically our pride. Environmental issues, disaster management, everything. On economics they are also something discussing. They are also asking a question from Telangana also. If you belong from Telangana state, if you are going to get a job from this particular commission, you are going to be posted in the Telangana only, so you need to have a knowledge about that Telangana. Physical, social and economic geography of India, physical, social and economic geography of Telangana also. Everything they have discussed. Indian constitution, governance, public policy, society, culture and Telangana, policies of Telangana state. Apart from that, logical reasoning, analytical ability and data interpretation. Means they are going to ask a very, you can say a very less amount of questions they are going to ask. Of not very high level, basically they are going to ask about the 10th standard. Should be aware about the English, about the 10th standard. So logical reasoning. Now in the era of YouTube, 10 years or 15 years ago when YouTube was not there, definitely there was problem in taking the classes for maths and reasoning. But now you are in the peak area. You are having a better chance to prepare for reasoning and mathematics. Personally, I would suggest no need to go for coaching for reasoning and mathematics. YouTube is the best. If you go for a coaching for reasoning and mathematics, single teacher will be there. Maybe it could be understandable for you, it could not be understandable for you also. So better is YouTube. Just go and search the topic on YouTube and discuss the everything and make notes. YouTube is the best for what? For reasoning and mathematics. Okay. If I go through the pharmacy, that is paper 2, pharmacopoeia, they have asked about the Sutix also, they have asked about the cognosy also. Means they have asked the different subjects, but they have given it topic wise. So you can go through these things. Microbiology also they have asked also human anatomy and physiology, cognosy is there, ecology is there, microbiology is there, some act also there. If you are going to prepare for the drug inspector examination and you are not about the drugs and cosmetic act, how it is possible? So jurisprudence is the backbone. So in jurisprudence what they have asked about the DNC Act. So you need to understand about the DNC Act. Now rules, they have amended the rules. Now it is not going to be 1945. The rules have been changed. The rules have been separated from the Act. In NDPS Act, during the Aryan Khan case, something was, Sushant Singh case, something was amended. Medical termination of pregnancy, something was amended. So you need to take care of that amendment. NDPS Act. GMP and CGMP, regulatory aspect of medical devices, everything they are going to ask. Got the point? So I think I have just discussed the main relevant information. You need to go once through the this whole advertisement so that it could be very easy for you people. Okay, so I think I have just gone through the important things. No need to discuss in a very detailed. So in last moment I would revise, go for this course. It is going to be a very important course. That is going to be a game changer. I can assure you, I can guarantee you this course is going to be a game changer for you people. That is totally in English medium. One of my humble requests, please share it more as possible. please share with your known that at affordable prices you are going to best quality content. Suppose in market any content is of 10,000, you are just going to get 2199 at 2200 rupees, and 10 times much better content in comparison to the already available market courses there. So please install Pharma Pathfinders application and avail this SAP HANA batch from the store option. So I would like to mention, I am just going to take some more few seconds from you people. I know your time is very important. I really have the respect for you people, but I would like to clear from my side. Suppose once you have visited this course, so if you go through the store option in the downward, different courses are there. You need to click on Telangana Drug Inspector Examination. Whole information will be there. So classes is going to be started from 20th of December, and by the end of April syllabus is going to be over. So I hope I have given each and every piece of information from official website. I have also discussed about the course. If you are having any doubt, you can just contact on my number, that is 9519980214. That is going to be my personal number. If you are having any doubt, please feel free to contact me anytime. So 9519980214 is my number. I'm 100% confident this course is going to be a game changer in your preparation. Thank you so much for your valuable time. Have a good day.